Guys, let's go check out what this is about.
3. So again, 110, 107, 8, 108,000. I get $7,000, you get 8,000. It's 7, 8, 108 sells in the reserve. 8, 9, 10, down 10,000, internet's out 10. Good 10, 10,000, 10 to butter. 10, 180 yes ma'am, 180 $8,000, 10, 180 9. Internet, you want to give 9. 10, 11, down 11, down 11, I get 10, 11, I get $10,000, $11,000, make it 10, 10, 11, I get $10,000, anybody else for $11,000 sells in the reserve, 10, 11, I get $10,000, anybody else at 11,000, so $10,000, so $10,000, Megan.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to the screens. D107.1 is going to be a 2011 Winnebago View 25-foot RV. A Mercedes-Benz 3-liter diesel V6 with one side-out and a diesel generator.
Now, Abby, that there's an RV. 9 period, 50. Don't call me, I'll leave it that next month and leave here. 40, 30, 30. Got 10 to bid. Who get 15? Some get 15,000 for it. I get 10, 15, 20. I David at 15, 20. I David at 20 for 20. I David at 25. At 25. Internet ground. At 20's bid. I David at 5. I get 20 down. David at 5. I David at 20, 25. At 20's bid. I David at 5. Internet. You want to get 25,000. I get 20, 25. At 20 down. David at 5. I David at 25. 25,000 down. David at 20. I David at 5. Right there. Down. David at 20. Anybody else at 5? I get 20 to bid. I David at 5. David at 22. I get 20 to bid. I David get 2,000. I David at 20 to bid. I David get 2. I David around David there. Kirk. I David at 20. David at 2. I David at hello Kirk. I David at 21. David there. I David at 20 now 2. And close bid at $20,000. I appreciate we're about halfway there, right?
Ladies and gentlemen, continue to look at the screens. D108.1 is going to be a 1998 Prevost 45-foot Fenderline Gold motorhome. A Series 60 Detroit diesel engine, Allison automatic with a diesel generator and 4 air conditioners on the roof.
Yep. Right, David in there, 125, 100 in there, give 100, 100, David in 1, David in there, 100 in the barn, 100 David in the barn, 100 David in there, 100 pound, 100 David in out, 75, 75. Higher David gets 75. Higher David in there, Drake. I think you know the owner's brother. Higher David again, get here. Who get 50? Higher David get 50,000. Higher David get 20, 30, 30,000. Higher David at 30, get 40. Higher David get 40. David get 50. I get 40 here, 50. I'm the 40 pound. Higher David in there, 50 pounds. Higher David at 40, 50. Get 50. Higher David at Kirk. Higher David at 50 pounds. Higher David at 40, 50. Kirk. Higher David at 50,000. Higher David get 40, get 50.
Look, another one just got sold. That was nuts, dude.